Hey everyone, just wanted to share with you something really exciting. That's right, you can see on my screen there's a 50% discount on GoHighLevel's monthly subscription for the next 3 months. This is a special offer that you won't find on the website. This is a different special discount link that you will find in this video's description. Okay, so if you sign up for GoHighLevel now, you will get 50% discount on the next 3 months subscription. Not only that, but also you will get free AI agent usage in your GoHighLevel account for up to 60 days, the whole summer. Those who know, GoHighLevel has AI agents in them. If you use the AI agents, you have to pay for them separately. So if you are in this package, you will not only get 50% off your monthly subscription, but also you'll get to use AI for absolutely free. Now, on top of these two, I also have something to give you as well. What's going to happen is if you sign up for this 50% discount for the next 3 months in GoHighLevel, as soon as you sign up, I'm going to send you my own GoHighLevel 30-day challenge deliverables. Now, here it is. This is basically a roadmap for you to set up your GoHighLevel account from scratch in the most professional and organized way possible, because each document indicates a step that you need to take in order to organize and set up your GoHighLevel properly. For example, step 0 just indicates what you need to do in the next few days in order to get your first client. Step 1 is setting up your agency account. So if I show you one of these, you can see that it has video instructions, documents, resources, SOPs, everything attached to these. And also we have prospecting SOPs. We have the discovery call, like if you are able to book someone in for a discovery call, you have to follow these steps to make sure that it converts into a sale. Also, we have client onboarding. So if you are able to onboard a client, here's what you need to do in order to make sure that you're giving them a really good service. Not only that, we also have a review management snapshot as well. So if you want to sell GoHighLevel to someone, once you convert them, you will be able to use this review management snapshot to set up automatic review management for them. All right. So this is actually very useful for you. Also, we have lead list format that's attached to any of these steps. We have cold calling SOPs as well. So if you want to start cold calling, I have the full document along with video instructions on what to do in order to do cold calling and get your first client to the door. Everything that I just showed you is literally everything I wish I had when I was getting started with GoHighLevel. And let me tell you, I also started my GoHighLevel journey with one of these 50% off in GoHighLevel for 3 months. And when I got started, I didn't have enough money, but fortunately I got a client that paid for the whole 3-month subscription. Now, if I show you the pricing, usually the first GoHighLevel package is $97 a month. If you go to their website, you will see that. But if you get this package, you will be paying $48.50 a month. Same thing goes for $148, which is down from $297. And the SaaS plan, which you probably don't need right now, you probably need one of these. I would recommend starting with this one, and then maybe you can upgrade. Or if you want more than 3 sub accounts, if you want to set up GoHighLevel for more than 3 businesses right now, you must go for this one. If you get the 3-month 50% discount, what you're gonna save is, let me do a quick calculation. So 148.5 times 3, this is how much you will be paying for 3 months of GoHighLevel subscription. Where if you get my 30-day extended free trial and pay for 2-month subscriptions, that means you are still getting 3 months of GoHighLevel. But if you're paying $297 for 2 months, that is more than what you would be paying like this. So I would say definitely go with 50% discount for 3 months instead of getting the 30-day extended trial and then getting 2 months of regular subscription. If you are obviously serious about using GoHighLevel for your own business, or if you want to sell GoHighLevel to other businesses. If you want to sell it, obviously we have our 30-day challenge. You can set up GoHighLevel, do everything you need to do in the most organized way possible to get your first client in GoHighLevel. With that said, if you are very serious about being successful with GoHighLevel, I would highly recommend going for this 50% discount offer that's going on for the next 3 to 4 days, not more than that. I would say go for it, and obviously you can email me or go to my website if you have any issues, or let me know in the comments in this video if you have any questions before signing up. More than happy to answer, more than happy to help you out, and I will see you in the next one.